Rich in nutrients. Cabbage is a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. It is also low in calories and fat, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. May reduce the risk of cancer. Cabbage contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds, known as glucosinolates, may help to prevent the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. Promotes healthy digestion. Cabbage is a rich source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy digestion. Eating cabbage can help to promote regularity and prevent constipation. Supports heart health. Cabbage contains compounds that may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease.